Okay, so another water obstacle, and this time I just took my pants all the way off. And let's go. Oh wow, this water is cold. It is. Oh god, so cold. Just found a bit of dry land to warm up a bit. As you can see, there's some springs right over there which are responsible for all of this water flooding the road. Yeah, this is basically a road, but it's flooded now. So anyway, guess I'm going back into the cold water because there's like no way around it really. Yeah, just gotta make it to that nice big rock. Okay, I'm kind of warmed up, kind of. Oh god. Oh god, it's cold. So cold. So cold. I'm kind of dancing in place now, just trying to move up, warm up. So cold, so cold. Oh god. So yeah, that was not fun at all. Not fun at all. But I think I'm just gonna do it again because I don't want to walk through that bush. So back into the cold water, and straight up ahead is my destination. Oh god. Oh god, it's cold. I'm so cold. So cold. And bear in mind, the leaves are green. The sun is shining. Mid-September. It's about, 15 degrees Celsius air temperature. And I'm so cold. So cold. That was so... Oh, look, it's a nice mushroom. That was so unpleasant. Yeah, I can barely feel my feet. Just keep walking a little bit to warm up. Damn good thing I took my pants off. That was unpleasant, but a nice experience. Yeah.